Welcome back to my channel, guys. It is your girl Nisha, aka Future Coldest, and I'm back with another video. This is a curly hair routine type of video. I got some new products, so you know, I'm like, let me try them out. This company named Curlfection hit me up on Instagram. They want me to try out their products, and I'm like, okay. And I love trying new products, so you know, I was already down. I was ready. I was like, yeah. So they sent me a box of some products, and got a little pamphlet right here. So it says Curlfection smooth control curls made simple. Our products provide soft, controlled, shiny, bouncy, beautiful curls. All 6 of our curl products are multitaskers, humidity fighters that help repair and control frizzy curls. So you know, once I saw the word frizzy, I was like, okay, I have to give these products a try because I do get frizzy hair. I don't mind frizzy hair, but you know, sometimes you don't want frizz, you know, so that is what I'm gonna be doing today. Let's open up this box and see all the goodies that I got. Okay, their packaging is really cute. And I mean, I've got products and sometimes they overdo with the packaging. I get it, like they're trying to prevent from the products being damaged, or you know, because it's traveling, so they're probably being thrown around and all that. But I like the fact that this only comes with this much of this, because sometimes stuff like this just gets too messy and annoying. So shout out to you guys for that. And it's everything's bubble wrapped. The first product I got is the Glimmer Polish Shine and Define. All these products have no alcohol, parabens, or sodium chloride, and it has UV and thermal protectant in it. So this is the Glimmer Polished. This adds lightweight shine to an everyday style to make it radiant. It seals frayed and frizzy ends and protects against thermal damage, and it also reduces drying time as it conditions. So I'm gonna start with the smell. It has kind of like I wanna say a citrus smell. It has like a fresh smell. And the texture. So this is the product. It's not light, so it's not sticky, and it's medium thick, I guess you can say, and definitely has a lot of shine. I can feel like the slip on my the shininess on my finger. So next we got the Firm Hold Smoothing Cream Gel. This is 4-in-1. Define and polish, humidity control, and protect. So this Firm Hold Cream Gel defines and controls curls while adding shine and texture. It's a fusion of a deep treatment and a finishing product. The curls get maximum humidity resistance and frizz control while leaving your style soft with long-lasting hold. So this is more of a cream. Even like I'm not even squeezing the bottle and it's already coming out. So I already know it's gonna have a lot of slip. It's really lightweight. This is how it, so it doesn't feel sticky in my hand, like it feels smooth, but this is how it's looking when I'm separating my fingers. Cause like I'm still rubbing the product, and I can tell it's gonna be moisturizing to the hair. Next, we got the Light Hole Meringue. I think this is a brand new product to their collection, and this is a 4-in-1 prime and protect, bodify, and repair. This is more of a mousse, I'm assuming. Yeah, this is like a mousse. I haven't used mousse in years. I have not used mousse in years, so I'm pretty excited to try this. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm gonna give it a try. So this primes and protects your curls with Light Hold Meringue. You can use this alone for frizz-free body and volume, or under a gel as a primer to soften and repair your hair. It's infused with green tea extracts, vitamin E, and argan oil to nourish and protect your curls. Oh yeah, so next we got the Light Hole Smoothing Cream Gel 4-in-1 Repair and Control, Polish and Protect. So I got a light hold and I got a firm hold. So this is a light hold. This Light Hold Cream Gel contains Pro Vitamin B5 to repair and create soft bouncy curls. Smoothing proteins seal and protect the cuticle while controlling the frizz. Okay, now I got 2 more products left. Next I have the One Step Cream Cleanser, and this was Editor's Choice with naturallycurly.com, the 2015 winner. And this is a sulfate-free shampoo. It's a hydrating conditioner and frizz-fighting detangler. One Step Cleansing and Conditioning Solution for Curls. Mango butter and coconut helps to smooth and control your curls without harsh sulfates. And finally, It's a little sticky, which means it's probably a little leaked out. But next we have the Next Day Refreshing Mist, and this is a UV protector and a reactivator. So this you can use to reactivate your curls the next day with the Refreshing Mist. It's infused with active botanicals and pro vitamin B5. Your curls will be nourished and reset, allowing you to enjoy another great day of controlled curls. Smells good. I'll have to try this one out on day 2 to tell you guys how I feel about this. So this is a lot of product. Usually when I put products in my hair, I only use 2 to 3 products. So I am gonna go in with the, oh wait, I guess I'm not done. I have one more thing. Okay, so this, I didn't even see this. So I have the Polishing Whip. This helps to smooth flyaways, add shine, and split end repair. So this peppermint oil and soy protein enriched polisher helps split ends while taming resistant flyaways. This has peppermint in it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I love peppermint. Oh my god. Oh, this smells so good. I cannot wait to try this. Oh man. So my hair is already washed. Working in sections because you know it's always good to work in sections. Try to get all over your hair. So I'm working in big sections. I'm not gonna be working in small sections. Oh. Yo, this is so watery. Oh my gosh, I was not expecting that. I think So this is my hair with the product in. I went in with the Firm Hold Smoothing Cream Gel, and then I finished off with the Glimmer Polish Shine and Define. And I really want to try the mousse because I haven't used mousse in a long time. So I went in with a little bit of the Light Hold Meringue. So I am going to, I don't know if I want to diffuse or let it air dry. I don't know, but I'm gonna go let my hair dry, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final results and give you guys my final thoughts on these products. Okay, so because I was trying some new products and I was so anxious to see my results, I diffused. I tried not to diffuse, but I had to because I was so anxious to see the results. But guys, oh my god, I'm so excited right now. I'm sorry. Okay, usually when I diffuse my hair, I get a little bit of frizz. This is my hair after using the 2 products. So much bounce, look at that! Okay, stop. Let me stop, I'm so stupid. This is my hair after using the products. I am loving this right now, oh man. Holy, the ends are still wet. The ends of my hair is always still wet, and the back, I can feel it. I gotta let my hair continue to air dry throughout the day, but this is the final results to my hair, and I'm loving this. Hey, my hair's growing, eh? I have not used mousse in a long time, and because I went with the Firm Smoothing Cream Gel instead of the Light, I thought that was gonna get like some kind of sticky, hard crunchiness to my hair, but my hair feels so soft. I have no crunchiness to my hair. I love when I try products for the first time and I get amazing results the first time. You already know what that means. Like, I'm ready to go buy all 10 bottles of that product. My overall and final thoughts about those products, I love them. Look at my results, they speak for itself. Like, look at this. I'm touching my hair so much and I don't even have frizz, like. But anyways, I love these products. They smell great. They have a lot of moisture, a lot of shine, and those products have a lot of slip to it. They're not sticky. That's one thing I love about it. The firming gel, when I went like this between my fingers, it kind of did look a little sticky, but it's really light. It's not something that's like, oh my god, it's too sticky for my hair. These products are amazing. I'm loving my results. My hair feels so soft and so shiny right now. Wow, I'm blown away, to be honest, because at first I was kind of iffy, but nothing tried, nothing done. It's always good to try products for yourself, and then, you know, you can base your opinion off of that. So I mean, my hair speaks for itself. I don't even need to say anymore. I don't need to say anything right now. And I will keep you guys updated with the next day refreshing mist as well. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below and hit that little bell button so that you know when I post another video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!